The only way you can ever have a healthy relationship with another person is paradoxically only if you're willing to lose that relationship for your own self-love and values. If you're not willing to lose the relationship, even if it's not aligned with your values anymore, you are losing yourself in an emotional addiction. The only reason why you're still in that relationship is not actually because you care about the person, but because you want to make feelings feel better. You want to get relief from feelings. You want to chase feelings. You want to not get hurt and not get the feeling of abandonment. So everything is about feelings. It's not about the other person. It is just about feelings. So because you feel all these crazy feelings, the ups and downs, the hot and colds, the text power games, you think you're in love, but in reality, it's just an emotional addiction. Now, the only way to get out of an emotional addiction is to change the engine that you're running on from the emotional addictive engine to the valued action engine. Let me explain. Right now, on the emotional addictive engine, it feels right to keep the partner, to stay in the relationship, to not lose them, and it feels wrong to lose them. The reason for that is that you taught your brain inside and outside of your head with your behavior that this person, this relationship is so important. You might be like, but how did I teach the brain that? Well, you spend a lot of times in your head trying not to lose the relationship with a lot of controlling of situations and thoughts, and you spend a lot of time outside of your head to get the person to love you. This teaches your brain with your behavior that you love chasing the validation of another person. So the brain is your best friend and is like, wow, you love chasing the validation of another person? I'm your best friend, the brain. I want to support you in that. Okay, so I'm going to give you more thoughts and emotions so you can do your favorite hobby, which is chasing the validation of that person. And the emotions I will give you is more anxiety, more jealousy, more attachment, because I know then you can do the hobby that you have, the favorite thing, which is chasing validation. So you taught your brain the wrong way, and now we need to teach it the right way. Since the brain is keeping you in the same patterns by giving you uncomfortable emotions like attachment, jealousy, fear of losing, the only way to break that emotional addiction is by being okay with uncomfortable emotions, which none of you is liking the answer. The reason for why you cannot react to uncomfortable emotions is because the brain keeps you in the same old patterns by luring you in with the uncomfortable emotions and is expecting you to react to that, which then you feed the patterns more. So the way out in general to improve overall and also get into healthier relationships is not a trick. It's an emotional fitness, which, like physical fitness, you get stronger over time by taking up more territory. Because you're not only reactive to the strong emotions in relationships of jealousy and fear of abandonment, you also, when you get up in the morning and there's boredom and uneasiness coming up, you're reacting to those feelings and grab your phone and go on social media. So right there, you're already practicing emotional weakness. How do you expect to cut out the big compulsions in relationships if you don't even practice with boredom and uneasiness? Boredom and uneasiness are like 20 or 40 pounds. In relationships, the abandonment is like 400 pounds. But you still can practice with all of it, get stronger, change from the emotional addictive engine to the valued action engine. This video is already 4 minutes and 14 seconds long, so no one's gonna watch it because all of the people with the emotional addictions are also ADHD because they're always reactive to emotions, so you already scrolled away because you didn't get enough flashing and entertainment. I'm not mad at you, I'm disappointed, but I want to give my last crocodile tears, you the last tool that will give you more emotional fitness, that will kickstart it, which is silent meditation, not guided meditation, because guided meditation, you passively focus on something. In silent meditation, you have to sit down with the emotions and thoughts coming up like jealousy or uneasiness, and you can practice being okay with uncomfortable emotions and focusing on the breath, which is replicating when anxiety and jealousy comes up in real life. You can have the anxiety and you focus on the valued actions. Now you cry crocodile tears now for me because this video was a waste of time. It's over 5 minutes. No one's gonna watch it. If I would have done it till 1 minute, it would have gone viral, but no one would have gotten the solution. So